Greetings. Hello there, audience. This is your boy, Troy. Well, today, might not be used to this, but I'm going to do my own segment. I like to call this segment Troy's Summarization of the Odyssey. Let me write that out for you. That's what we're doing. Oh crap, it's backwards for you. Okay, anyways. So, Troy, what's the Odyssey? I really don't know. I had to read it from my class, and Ben was like, Troy, make a video. We don't have video uploaded. He's like, edit this video. I don't want to edit, so I'm just going to make my own video. So, Odyssey. Gotta get the thumbnail. The Odyssey. This is my video for you. The Odyssey. This is my summarization of the video. Yes, I have read the whole thing. I really don't know what's going on. I do, but I thought I'd put in my words for you guys. For all those scholars out there that need some Schnoop or whatever, Spark Notes, this is better. This is my version. I'm going to get you that A on the test. That's all you need. Okay, here we go. Okay. So, first off, Telemachus, his son. He's like, where's my boy? Where's my papa? Where is he? So, Telemachus is like, I gotta go find my pops. He's somewhere. His dad's name's Odysseus. You might have heard of him. So he's like, gotta go find my pops. So, Telemachus is in Ithaca. That's T for Telemachus. So he's like, gotta go find daddy. Odysseus is over here with Calypso. And Calypso's like, Odysseus, I want to marry you. And then Odysseus is like, no, in my house, I'm married. I gotta get back home. And she's like, fine, fair enough. But we'll get there later. So Telemachus is like, Mom, I'm gonna go sail. And she's like, shh, no, you're not. Anyways, and then she's like, we got all these suitors in my house. And he's like, I'm not a man enough to go kill them. So, but you know what? I am man enough. I'm man enough to go sail away and go find my pops and go on the boat. But you can't kill a couple suitors? Pfft, pansy. Sounds like Jake Paul if I know one. Pfft, just saying. Anyways, so we got Telemachus. He's gonna go here and then here and then here. And then he lands here. And then he also goes here and somewhere here. But it's not a big deal. But I think the last place he is Nest. No. He's with Menelaus. It's the last island he visits. Not a big deal. I don't really care. He's he won the Trojan War or something. Not a big deal. Anyways, so then Odysseus literally just goes here to one island. We'll explain that. That's I'll put an I there. That's an I. I'll get that. And then he goes somewhere here with the Phaeacians. And then I think then he goes to Hermes' place and gets his crew gets murked. And then he goes to Ithaca. So literally what I'm getting from this, Telemachus is probably the worst search and rescue guy we got out there. So whatever. Probably part of the Coast Guard. Alright, so now, you're like, Troy, what are you doing with your life? And I'm like, I'm explaining the Odyssey to 24 subscribers. So here we go. None of this stuff matters about Telemachus. Who really cares? He's just a young buck trying to get his job in order. He's trying to find his pop. Anyways, so, Odysseus. Did him for short. I know you can't read it. I'll flip it or something. Anyways, he goes, gets his men. He's at this one place. I think he's with the Phaeacians right now, and he tells them all of his stories. So what he said, he's like, oh, I was stuck with Calypso, and then one of the gods is like, Calypso, leave my boy Odysseus alone. And he was like, all right. So Calypso's like, all right, go away, but I'll give you all these gifts. And then when he was going away, Poseidon was like, nah, dude, I hate you because you killed my son. And then, or you blinded my son. That was a Cyclops. How did he have a Cyclops son? I don't know. I don't know. It's Greek mythology, is it? Let me check. I think it's Greek mythology. I thought it was Roman. Anyways, but yeah, so then he crashes his boat Poseidon crashes Odysseus' boat. Poseidon ends up with the Phaeacians. So I just realized this whole thing is wrong, but it's okay. So Odysseus ends up with the Phaeacians, and like Athena's helping him on the way, and then pretty much the whole Odyssey is just Odysseus explaining how he got with Calypso, or how he got to Calypso's island with the Phaeacians. Okay, I think, yeah, that should be about right. Okay, so then they're like, I forget who the Lord guy of the Phaeacians is. Let's say Easter? No, that's his wife. His wife's name is Easter. I want to say it's like Eneleus or something. Anyways, wait, snack break. Okay. Oh. Anyways. Okay. So then he's like to the Phaeacians, he's like, let me tell you my story. I'm Odysseus, I'm a beast, I'm a baller, I'm Davin, I'm the Hades. And so, all he does, he's like, so my men were dumb. He's like, so he kind of like blames it all on his men. I don't know, not really. So then he's like, how did it go again? Okay, so anyways, I really forget. Oh yeah, okay. So then he's like, yo, let me tell you my story. He's like, so I was coming back from the Trojan War. He's like, my men, like Poseidon was like all the gods were like messing with us for some reason. So he ends up on this island, that has like a bunch of animals on it and stuff, and he's like, oh guys, let's go kill that guy, let's go get those animals and stuff, let's go eat. And then they're like, yeah, well, the boys gotta eat because Saturdays are for the boys.
Saturdays for the boys.
And so they go to this island, they eat, and they find out, oh my, there's a huge giant Cyclops here trying to kill us. Well, kind of. So then like Cyclops kills a bunch of the men. Odysseus eventually like stabs the Cyclops in the eye. I think I have an eye. Stabs him in the eye. That's a beanie. Anyways, I swear I had props. Anyways, so Odysseus stabs the Cyclops in the eye. And you're like, whoa, why did he do that? And then, what happens? So then so then he goes like they go to another place where like this one goddess like turns all, they go to another island where one goddess turns all of his men into like pigs, and then like Odysseus like seduces like her poison or whatever, and like gets past her poison, and then they end up just chilling there and like partying for like a year at that place. And then the goddess is like, I forget her name, whatever. Goddess is like, yo, Odysseus, I need you to go all the way to the land of the dead and talk to these dudes. So Odysseus does that, and then the one guy at the land of the dead is like, hey, Odysseus, on your way home, your men are going to want to go eat these cattle, and you guys are going to be like starving, but don't eat the cattle or you'll all die, except you. Well, your men will all die. And this is like, it's easy, dab on them. I got that, that's easy money. So he does that. So they go, and they're like all hungry and stuff, in the boat, the crew, and like, oh look, Odysseus, it's all the cattle. It's all like God's cattle. We shouldn't eat it, but we're gonna eat it. So they eat it, and they all die except Odysseus. I think it's like the sun god killed all of them except Odysseus. So Odysseus then, I think he just ended up on the Phaeacian shore. Yeah, that sounds about right. And then, oh geez, turn on this. So then he ends up on the shore, and then tells them all their story, and the Phaeacians are like, wow, you're wonderful, you're a homegirl, so we're gonna get you a boat. Don't know what to. We're gonna get you a boat. We're gonna put you on the boat, and then we're gonna sail you to Ithaca, and you're there. It's that easy. You're home. You're a winner. So Odysseus shows up to Ithaca as a beggar, and then the Telemachus, whatever the heck is, I don't care. He shows up, and he's like, oh, where's my pops? I'm so sad. Where's my papa? And then Odysseus is like a beggar, and he's like, oh, I guess I gotta show myself. He's like, hey, son, look, it's your old pops. And they're like, oh, yay, you're back, yay. Anyways, gosh, I'm too tired for this. Anyways, they reunite, they hug, they have great stories. I don't know what else. They hang out, they throw a ball together, They have a great time. They play football, and then Telemachus is like, "Hey, Pops, my Mama's got a lot of suitors in our house. We should go kill them." And then he's like, "Yeah, it's a great idea. Let's do it." So they go and they literally kill all of the suitors in Odysseus' castle. And then Penelope's like, "Oh boy, they're all here. Cool. We did it. We won." So they win. They win. Odysseus is home. They win. That's all that matters. Hello, audience. I would like to leave my final remarks on this story. This wonderful epic of a story. Almost everything I said was wrong. Take it as you will. I thought it was pretty good. Well, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for being here. Stay dolphin like you always do. And I love you, kiddos. I don't know you, but I love you.